Surviving pancreatic cancer means that every meal Dan now eats comes with a side of medication.
Every few kind of bites I would take another tablet, and for something like a pizza that's, again, very high fat meal, I would probably take, it's a lot, 15 of the tablets in one meal.
To digest food, Dan needs the help of an enzyme replacement therapy called Creon. But getting his hands on the drug has become increasingly difficult due to a global shortage.
My monthly prescription is 10 bottles. It's a lot. The most I've had from my pharmacy in the last probably 5 months is 3 bottles. It's really difficult to deal with it. It adds to the stress so much. It makes you just feel like you've been left in the lurch. I'm very grateful to be alive, but I still have a life that I'm trying to live, right? And this medication is key to that. So it adds to the mental burden and makes it very difficult.
With help from family, Dan now gets his medication from a pharmacy in Cheshire, nearly 200 miles away. But a charity warns that up to 60,000 people are affected, and a solution is likely to take time.
Well, it's a manufacturing supply issue, and we're told that these problems could go on until 2026 at the earliest. So it really is the onus on our government to do something for our patients here in the UK, to actually try and initiate supply.
A spokesperson for the Department of Health said, "We know how frustrating and distressing medicine supply issues can be, and we are working closely with industry, the NHS, manufacturers and other partners in the supply chain to resolve current issues as quickly as possible." But pain, bloating and severe diarrhoea are just some of the symptoms experienced if the drug isn't taken, which Dan worries will only worsen over time.
It already has gone on longer than I would have ever anticipated it would. So I think for it to go on until 2026 is just unacceptable.
Until then, it remains a postcode lottery for prescriptions, with patients anxiously monitoring every pill they take. Freeman-Powell, Sky News.